And by the way, here's the location of the greenhouse. It is going to help to feed the energy system, and this energy system will also feed the greenhouse. We have these home biogas systems which can produce methane, so we can use that methane for the greenhouse. We have this pond here, and we're gonna run the water out of the pond, which I've put fish in, and now we have ducks in. You can see around the pond, I pulled out the water hyacinth and to build soil around the pond. It's pretty cool. And then we've got the chickens over here, which help provide nutrients and manure. And then the bees over there, of course. But anyway, and then, oh, this is the best part. Our intention, and Miriam is going to lead the way on this, but it's going to be right here at Galt's Landing, is to rapidly put up a school as well. And we've already created the model. You've probably heard about it. 25 students. The students are the intended managers. Oh God, that Lily, leave the ducks alone, you little shyster. Lily, come here. Oh gosh, that's living here at Galt's. It's always exciting. So the students from the school will help manage with the care of another person, you know, an adult, a supervisor, kind of a teacher. And actually the students will be teaching us a ton. But anyway, they're going to be managing the greenhouse and the nursery that's going here with another one of our designers, installers named Riley. And then this whole thing becomes the hub, the nursery. So we continue to add layers to the model. And when we show how the school can be the first financially self-supporting school, and it's infinitely scalable. Anyway, see where we're going? We're going to change the world, my friends.